Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Naimuddin pursuing BCom final year in Nizam College. It is a part of partial fulfillment for the requirement for the award of degree of commerce, a project on Swift. Welcome to the ninth section of Swift programming language. In this section, we are gonna be finishing off the loops by talking about do-while loops. In the last session we covered while loops. If you remember, the while loop disliked while a condition is true, which means that first it checks to see if the condition is true before executes the code inside the loop. As you can see here, it's checking while a is less than 10. It's going to print the line and it's going to increment a. However, there is a second type of while loops which actually runs through the code once before checking it if the condition is true, and this is called do while loops. So just going to paste a bit of code here. As you can see, what's going to do is put a line so that we can see the difference between the two greater the variable set. It is 0 and I have created this do while loop which goes do and then this code inside, and then while b is less than 10. Now we see over here, you can see the while loops print out from 0 to 9, and so does the do while loop. So they are very similar, but there is a subtle difference. If I change this here to be while b is less than 0, I change while a is less than 0. You can see that actually what it does, it is only print out the do while loop, and this is because it is actually running through its code within the do while. Once before, it's checking to see if this condition is true, and then once it is what it realizes that the condition isn't true, it breaks out of these loops. These are handy loops to use, where you have a piece of code that you will want execute no matter what and might want to have execute multiple times depending on the condition. Anyway, that's all here to talk about in loops for a minute. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates.